Any three non-collinear points make a plane. So G, E, and O are all non-collinear points, and they lie on the pink plane. To name a plane, you need to have 3 or 4 points. So if you look at the pink plane, you can choose B, O, E, and G. So I can name the plane BOG. Don't put commas in between, just put 3 capital letters together. Or you can name it BGE, or you can choose all 4 letters and do GOEB. That's how you name the pink plane. If you name the green plane, you're going to pick 3 or 4 points that are on the plane. So again, you can use 3 or 4 letters, it doesn't matter, but make sure that you don't put commas in between. So one way I can name the green plane is by naming it FAL, or you can name it CIL, or you can choose 4 letters and do FALI, etc. Coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. So if I look at the pink plane, all of these are coplanar points because they lie on the pink plane. So when you're listing coplanar points, you put commas. So coplanar points are G, comma, E, comma, O. Or if you're talking about the green plane, you can say F, or write F, comma, A, comma, L. Non-coplanar points are points that are not on the same plane. So F, G, and L are not all on the same plane. I know that F and L are on the green plane, but since G is included, G is non-coplanar with there. So actually you need, because if I connect F, G, and L, I can make a new plane. Technically, I'm going to need a 4th point to be non-coplanar. You always need 4 points to be non-coplanar because 3 points are automatically coplanar. So my 4 points are F, G, L, and then pick another point, O. These are 4 non-coplanar points and they have a comma in between. Okay, right here we have 6 intersecting planes to make what looks like a cube. So to name the top, you want to name a plane. So remember, a plane always needs 3 or 4 points with no spaces in between. So pick 3 letters that make the top of the plane. So I'm going to pick WPX or WPQ. Or you can choose 4 points, it doesn't matter. If I name the bottom, I'm going to shade the bottom and pick 3 or 4 of these points. And don't put any commas between. So Z, R, Y, or comma, you could say S, R, Y. Those name the bottom. The left side is, if this is the front, this is the right. The left side is going to be this side right here. And so I'm going to pick 4 of those points. I'm going to choose 3 of those, actually, because I only need 3 points to write a plane. W, P, S, and don't put commas in between. Okay, if you're talking about the intersection of 2 planes, because this is how you name planes, the intersection of 2 planes is going to be, so what you want to do is always a line. So we need to be specific about the type of line that we're using. So if we have X, Q, Y, I'm going to shade X, Q, Y, it's going to get really messy here. And then R, Y, Z is the bottom. So where this plane and this plane meet is the line YR. So I'm going to write the line YR. Make sure to use a line symbol. And then the last problem is the intersection of this plane, WPQ, which is the top, with PQR, which is PQR is the front. So the top and the front meet together right here, which is going to be a line, because the intersection of 2 planes is a line, is the line PQ. Make sure you put a line symbol of it over it. And that's basically 1.3.